Make money from CHAT GPT. CHAT GPT is an AI language model designed to engage in conversation with humans. While CHAT GPT itself cannot make money directly, there are ways in which it can be used to generate revenue. One potential way to make money from CHAT GPT is through content creation. You can use the AI language model to generate content for websites, social media, and other digital platforms. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create articles, product descriptions, or even social media posts. This can save you time and effort, as the AI can generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Another way to monetize ChatGPT is through chatbots. Chatbots are automated messaging systems that can engage with customers and provide them with assistance. You can use ChatGPT to create chatbots for your business or clients, allowing you to provide 24/7 support and improve customer satisfaction. Chatbots can also help streamline communication and reduce labor costs. ChatGPT can also be used for research purposes. Researchers can use the AI language model to analyze large amounts of data and generate insights. This can be useful in a variety of fields, including marketing, healthcare, and finance. By using ChatGPT to analyze data, researchers can save time and resources, while also gaining a deeper understanding of the data. One potential way is to develop and sell ChatGPT-based applications. As the technology continues to evolve, there is a growing demand for ChatGPT-powered applications that can assist with tasks such as customer service, scheduling, and data analysis. By creating and selling these applications, you can generate revenue and establish yourself as a leader in the field of AI-powered applications. Another way to monetize ChatGPT is through online education. As more businesses and individuals look to integrate AI technology into their operations, there is a growing need for training and education on the topic. You can use ChatGPT to develop online courses, webinars, and other educational content that can help people learn more about AI and how to use it effectively. This can be a lucrative market, as businesses and individuals are often willing to pay for high-quality educational resources. Another potential revenue stream is through ChatGPT-powered advertising. As ChatGPT can engage in natural conversations with users, it can be used to deliver personalized advertisements that are more likely to resonate with users. By using ChatGPT to deliver targeted advertisements, businesses can improve their advertising ROI and generate more revenue. Finally, you can also make money from ChatGPT by providing support services. As with any technology, there may be issues that arise with ChatGPT that require technical support. You can offer support services to businesses and individuals who are using ChatGPT, helping them to resolve any issues and ensure that the technology is functioning properly. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money from ChatGPT. By leveraging the technology for content creation, chatbots, research, consulting, application development, online education, advertising, and support services, you can tap into the growing demand for AI-powered solutions and build a successful business.